Hello, everyone. My name is Mary Craft, and today I'll be sharing an overview of key language components that support early literacy development. As early childhood educators, we know that learning to read and write is deeply connected to how children understand and use language. When we understand these language components, we are better equipped to support all learners, especially those with exceptionalities, in inclusive early childhood classrooms. Linguistic components and examples. The first component is phonology, which refers to the sounds of language. This includes skills like rhyming, clapping syllables, and identifying beginning sounds. Phonology supports early reading by helping children hear and work with sounds before connecting them to print. Next is morphology, which is the study of word parts that carry meaning, such as prefixes, suffixes, and root words. For example, understanding that adding S means more than one helps children with both reading and spelling. Syntax refers to sentence structure and word order. When children learn to form complete sentences like the dog is running, they are building the foundation for comprehension and writing. Semantics focuses on word meaning and vocabulary. Strong vocabulary knowledge allows children to understand what they read and express ideas clearly. Finally, pragmatics is how language is used socially. Knowing when to take turns, ask questions, or adjust language depending on the situation. Pragmatics supports comprehension and communication during discussions and storytelling. Importance for students with exceptionalities. Understanding these components is especially important for supporting students with exceptionalities. Some children may struggle with specific language areas, such as phonological processing or sentence structure. When educators can identify which component is challenging, instruction becomes more targeted and effective. This prevents mislabeling students as struggling readers when the root issue may be language based. Research based instructional strategies. One effective strategy is explicit oral language instruction, where teachers intentionally model and practice sounds, words, and sentences during daily routines. Another strategy is multisensory, play based learning, such as using movement, visuals, and manipulatives to reinforce language concepts. Acting out vocabulary or using picture cards helps make abstract language concrete. A third strategy is repetition with scaffolding. Repeated exposure to words and language structures across the day during read alouds, play, and transitions helps strengthen understanding, especially for young learners and those with language delays. In closing, strong language skills are the foundation of literacy development. When early childhood educators understand phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics, they can intentionally support all learners and create inclusive, language rich classrooms that promote reading and writing success.